Good morning, this is Fred Van Allen, First Team Real Estate Christie's, and I'm previewing a new listing I have here. A cool little bungalow, arts and crafts, craftsman style bungalow, right across the street from the park. And it is a coming soon listing at 593 Mountain View. It's 2-bedroom, 1-bath with a bonus room. Air conditioned, central air, basement, security system, nice size yard, alley access to the garage, river rock front porch, all the things that make an arts and crafts bungalow cool. We're going to have an open house here on February 2nd, so put it on your calendar so you can come by and see this really nice craftsman bungalow home at 593 Mountain View in Pomona. Price is $400,000. If you have any questions at all, if you know anybody that needs any help with real estate, reach out to me, please. I'd love to help. I'm at 909-261-9711. Have a great day.